different industries of media, creative, CRM, and AI. So we're actually honored to have our keynote speaker, Mimi, coming from Dentsu Media APAC. So she brings a wealth of experience in APAC and countries or markets like China, which is more advanced. And then we also have Justin James, who started an AI platform and will be joining us from Singapore. And then we have one of the people awarded to the top 10 creative in the world, Thomas Kim, to talk about how do you evaluate creative strategy. So those are some of the speakers that are coming in, again, representing tech, media, and creative. The strengths of PANA and CDM. Together, we want to come up with a different type of event. So again, it's assembling speakers from a diverse set of backgrounds. But also, what's different is this conference focuses on brands. So brands have different questions, different needs. The purpose of the conference is to answer these questions. And then last but not the least, the conference is also a workshop, like Kathy mentioned earlier.
Let me also add, when we say collab, it's bringing your traditional and digital worlds together. And then it's also thinking differently in terms of our abilities as marketers to be able to think through innovation in the different types of creatives and medium. And then collab because with CDM, which is a digital, and we in PANA, who are in the traditional field, how do you bring that together? And how do you make sure that the participants will also collaborate? So collab is short for collaboration, not just of those who are designing it, but also of the attendees. And that's why we put the name collab, so that people know that, oh, it's not just a regular conference. It's where I will also need to participate. Because everybody usually when you attend conferences, they just listen and then they sit down and then, you know, they absorb. But what we're doing in collaboration is you as the attendee must work with us so that your learning is, sometimes you have to do something for you to learn better. So that's actually how we thought of the word collab.
In terms of core competence, because of course CDM is related to, you know, when it comes to the world of digital and the advanced technology and innovations that it can offer. PANA, on the other hand, we have the membership, and we want to target the different marketers and the brands so that they can improve in their craft. But I'd also like to underscore that our thrust as an organization is to build brands responsibly, right? And so we want our organizations, our leaders, to approach AI responsibly and not just to apply it in their different brands recklessly, if I may use that word. So we want to be able to add that value. So it's really to be able, at the end of the day, our ultimate goal is to build brands with the help of AI, responsibly, and if I may add, creatively as well.
Brandmasters have been there for before the pandemic. So I was 2018 was the first Brandmasters, and the goal really there is marketing leaders, you know, to lead the industry, and PANA being the, you know, we are the advertisers, you know, the organization for advertisers. So we want to lead this, and I'm just so happy that I was there during the first Brandmasters and up to here, and it's evolved so well through the years, and with the help of more like speakers. Now we have a collaboration CDM, and another thing, I was there last year for the Brandmasters as well. It's quite great because it's really just not a mixture of knowledge. You'll see that young and old, right? I mean, you have to acknowledge, sorry, young and old, you do the collaborations, you do the workshops, and then you're learning something that is being done and implemented already in other markets. The experience is just very rich, and that's why we're all very excited, not just to organize it, but also to attend it. It's really, like, I talk as a business owner and a marketing practitioner, that it has really helped, like open our eyes, right, to what can and can't be done, and the collaboration between our people and getting into what they're thinking because of the synergies that AI can do. You know, the platforms that are available outside. I think it's really getting us more excited for the future rather than be scared of it. I think what AI does is to grow the world in an exponential way and not really to compromise the manpower that empowers progress.
Education. So the collab, the reason we brought it, we didn't bring it back. It's the second, technically the second year with CBM. But we're making sure that the senior program for marketers continue to education. So that's the reason we put it there. Right? And then your second question was about takeaway. So our key takeaway will really be, how do I use AI innovatively, effectively, and how will that impact my P&L? How will I make money? Or how will I hit my targets? And you know, all our bosses will give us very high numbers. How do I do it in a how do you do more for less? So if I have a growth target, how can I deliver that high growth target with less? And how does AI help? Because that's, I was in conferences outside of the Philippines, and all the marketing people were talking about, oh wow, our expenses are flat, our advertising budgets are being slashed or being kept the same, and yet we are expected to deliver double or triple the results. And that's why we think AI will be the tool to help us in getting those ROIs in. And that's really why we call it accelerating marketing ROI. Because the output should be not just about AI, but how I can actually use it in my business and or in my job, and how I will make sure I hit my KPIs, my goals. So I'm a CMO, so I'm the Chief Customer and Marketing Officer of ABI. And the critical thing for most of us is to deliver growth. But how do you deliver growth when budgets are flat, right? And therefore, now we have a tool. And this tool is AI. And how do you make sure you use it in a very value-added way? And how does it make sure that you're actually building your brand? So those should be the key takeaways. If I attend, number one, ano bang AI? Naiintindihan ko na ba siya? Number two, paano mo siya gagamitin? What exactly will I get from AI? And more importantly, will I make money? How do I deliver not just my qualitative goals, but my quantitative goals as well?
Our hope is when people they bring back some takeaways that they can implement in 30 to 90 days in their office. So that's another way of putting it. Actually, if you attended the conference last year, and the noise was coming from the crowd because we actually have group activities. So not a lot of conferences are also like workshops. So this one, we have group activities, UIT, on what of the best practices may be applicable in our company. And then you'll be working with people from different industries. And then some of the activities also include prompt engineering. I think Bob mentioned that earlier. So yun, we're enabling the practicality and implementability of ideas, but also having
candidly and confident. Tayo naman, di as girls, no? So as heads of marketing, we're in constant discussions with our counterparts in finance, or CFOs, right? So we always have to explain the budget, defend the budget. So, I think AI is one way for them to understand that, hey, the ROI comes easier than that. Yes, you're gonna have to invest in it, but you will certainly get the return, and you will be able to achieve our KRDs with it. And then alongside alongside that also, there's an opportunity presented by the Brand Masters Collab for networking. Okay, so this puts together heads of marketing, heads of companies, and related executives and officers. So we hope to be able to provide that space and platform for them to network among each other.
Different interviews, and it's from a brand perspective. So brand marketers have to be here. Second, we really work hard to assemble global and local marketing leaders from very diverse backgrounds. So we have leaders from media, AI, CRM, and creative. And then last but not least, we will have takeaways because it's not just a conference, it's also a workshop. Okay.
So accelerate your learning. Join us. We at PANA, the Philippine Association of National Advertisers, would like to level up the learnings of our senior practitioners, and we are bringing global and world-class talent. So now you have access. It will be more affordable. You'll have great learning. Please come, join us, and to all our PANA members. And even if you're not part of our PANA, we are open to having you with us so that you can accelerate learning. It's something that's going to be very global and that's going to disrupt marketing.